Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will explain how to replace passenger side bank 1 variable timing solenoid on Porsche Cayenne guys, as this one will be the 4.5 engine, maybe helpful on the 4.8 as well. Before we start, let me introduce you guys to the channel. If you need to buy any parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let's explain what we have here and what we'll be working on. This is specifically 2006 Porsche Cayenne. Now if you have an engine light and code that relates to bank 1 Vvt variable timing solenoid, control solenoid, it's that guy right here. But how you get to it guys, okay? In some cases, okay, when you get that code, it could be actually the variable timing camshaft sprocket here as well. You hope that's not the case because you have to remove the timing chain to actually go ahead and replace that and put it together. That's quite a bit of work guys. But if you notice, that engine is amazingly clean on the inside, and it has 187,000 miles. And last time when we did an oil change, we used the engine flush by Licky Moly. I'll put the link where we got ours from. It does wonders guys, definitely a great thing that can make your engine looks amazing. So with all that being said, let's explain what we had to do guys. We have to remove the whole valve cover assembly, and in the meantime we put new gaskets because we've been leaking oil like crazy, okay, from those valve cover gaskets on each side. We replaced both, but check out the leaks, okay, pretty bad, right? So you have to remove the valve cover. If you want to see how to do that, just put passenger side valve cover gasket replacement on Porsche Cayenne. We have the video on the channel. Not to waste your time, once you remove it guys, this is your solenoid and it has only two bolts, one on top, one on the bottom, and you will be using reverse Torx number 10 guys, okay, and we'll be removing the bolts. It's extremely careful not to drop anything inside your engine. If you do, okay, you can severely damage it, so don't do that guys. We'll go ahead, okay, get that one loose now. You can see the location according to the vehicle, okay, like that. So we're getting it out. They're very long bolts. I think the two bolts are actually different length. We need to see, maybe they're not. Okay, and the second one now. Alright, let's do that one now. Perfect. So one of them is covered with oil, the other one is not. Grab it, don't twist, just you can spin it a little bit and pull it out. The oil filter screen will come with it as well. Just grab and pull it out. Now if you have a problem with those guys, we have a video that explains how to clean and test them. That way you don't have to waste your money buying a new one, because many of the times you can actually clean, test those and fix them. 90% of the time it works for us guys, so you don't have to replace them. If you do and you don't want to do all that job again, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.